It's a beautiful sunny day at the Healer Family Beach House.
We're here! I just love the beach! I love the beach too, Bingo! What should we do first? How about surfing? Surfing sounds fun, but maybe we should ride our four-wheelers before we get all wet. Oh hey! It's Pete the Pelican! Hey Pete! I think he's saying hello. Come on, Bingo! Let's hop on! Okay, buddy. This sounds fun. Look at you, Bingo.
Be careful, girls. Don't fall off.
This is great! Woohoo! Wiggle! Giggle!
Come on, Bandit. Let's go sit in the sand and watch the girls build sandcastles.
Come in, children. Come on, girls. Let's build a sandcastle.
We're coming, Bandit. We just have to get off these four-wheelers. Oh, I just love the sand in my paws. Grab your bucket and shovel, Bingo. Let's start building sandcastles. Okay, Bluey. I'm gonna try to make my sandcastle as big as yours. Here we go. Let's pat him down and flip him over. Wow, they're huge.
Good job, girls, on building sandcastles. They're beautiful. Let's just relax in the sand a little while before your next activity.
Okay, Chili, sounds like a plan. Bingo, what should we do next? I don't know, Bluey. There's so much to do at the beach. Should we go surfing? Or do you want to go swimming in the pool first?
That's a tough choice, Bingo. Let's go swimming.
Come on, let's go. Wait for me, Bluey. I'm coming. 3, 2, 1, cannonball! 3, 2, 1, cannonball!
That was awesome, Bingo. You're really good at cannonballs.
Thanks, Bluey. Your cannonball was good too. This is so much fun. I just love being at the beach with my family. I'll be right back, Bluey. I need to go potty. Ah! Pete! Why are you in our shower? Get out of here! It's okay, Pete. That just gave me a fright. Don't let Bandit or Chili see you inside the house.
Hey, Bingo, do you want to go surfing?
I've been waiting all day, Bluey, to go surfing. I'm so excited.
Let's get our boards ready and head down to the ocean to catch some waves.
Be careful out there, girls, and don't forget to watch out for sharks.
I see a wave coming. Paddle. Ah! I fell over.
That's okay, Bingo. I fell over too. Let's try again.
These waves are rough. Surfing's hard.
Here comes the big one.
Phew, I'm so tired. I didn't think surfing would be that hard.
It takes a lot of practice and hard work to be good at something, girls.
I guess you're right, Chili. Bingo, we need to practice our surfing more so we can be good. I guess you're right. The more we practice, the better we'll get.
Look, girls, here come the one-claw crabs.
Did you know that the boy crab has one large claw and the girl crabs have 2 claws?
Wow, I didn't know that. This must be a boy because he only has 1 claw. I think he must like our sandcastles. Bingo. Hi, Mr. Crab. You like our sandcastle? You're welcome to stay and play. I'm not sure if he wants to play. He looks a little tired. You're tired. I'm getting a little sleepy myself. Me too, Bingo. We've done so many fun things today. It's just exhausting.
Alright, girls, let's head up to the beach house and get ready for bed. Let's rest up for another fun day tomorrow.
I'm gonna dream about everything we did today. Four-wheeling, sandcastles, swimming, surfing. I don't know what's my favorite. Our beach house is my favorite place in the whole world.
Mine too, Bingo. It's the best.
Bingo, Bluey, it's bedtime. Climb into your bunks.
Up I go! Come on, Bluey. You can have the top. Thanks, Bingo. I'm coming. Up I go. Oh. Good night, everyone.
It was such a perfect day at the beach.
Well said, Chili. Good night, my dear.